At the White House today, President Trump held a private luncheon with a group of Republican state attorneys generals. Texas AG Ken Paxton says several states have now joined Texas in its lawsuit challenging the 2020 election results in 4 battleground states. Marcelino Benito talks to legal experts about where the case goes from here.
At last night's White House Hanukkah party, President Trump again claimed he won the 2020 election, despite losing to President-elect Joe Biden by more than 7 million votes. And this morning, President Trump took to Twitter, pressuring the Supreme Court to consider the lawsuit filed by Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton. 17 other states' AGs are backing the lawsuit now that seeks to block electoral college votes in key states Trump lost, in essence, throwing out millions of votes.
This one really is a stretch. I think the purpose of this litigation is to keep sort of a dispute about the election alive.
Josh Blackman, constitutional law expert at South Texas College of Law, says this lawsuit makes little legal sense.
I don't say this lightly, but this is a frivolous case.
This afternoon, Pennsylvania filed its response to the Texas lawsuit. The state's AG writes, Texas's efforts to get this court to pick the next president has no basis in law or fact.
I see no chance the U.S. Supreme Court gets involved with this case in any way.
KHOU political analyst Bob Stein says the lawsuit is a strictly political move.
I call it an insurance policy that Paxton's taken out.
There's been no evidence of voter fraud. Stein argues Paxton filed this Texas taxpayer-funded case to prove loyalty to Trump and prevent a primary challenge in 2022.
Nobody wants to take the chance of crossing the president.
The Supreme Court must now decide whether to consider the case. If it does, the president has asked Texas Senator Ted Cruz to argue the case.
The court might rule today, it might rule tomorrow, maybe it might rule Friday at midnight, we don't know. But I suspect a ruling in the next couple of days at the latest.
The Electoral College is set to meet for a vote in just 4 days, so the clock is ticking. Marcelino Benito, KHOU 11 News.